Woke up very early this morning, expecting greetings. My cell phone, I said, will be ringing non-stop. People will be greeting me, happy birthday, non-stop. But oh boy, to my surprise, nothing. I said, and then this feeling that I have been forgotten really getting to my nerves. I called Del, Josie, asked if they still want to play the lotto. I am already grinding my teeth. I'm really galit. I'm already very mad. Lunch. Then lunchtime came. Belle, Dennis came, brought some pizza. And Bree, Aiden came, but Marlene is working that day. So the torment continued. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, still nobody. I'm still waiting. Then I said, and then some verses there. Ito. I felt like Sally Field. If you still remember the Norma Ray movie, instead of saying, they like me, oh my God, they hate me. It's like strike of century. This is big time. The following morning, there's a commotion going in the kitchen, so I check it. Oh my God, I thought it's my mother because the hair is all white. But then by my surprise, my sister from Texas. And then, that's it. And then, in the afternoon, Papa said, you have visitor downstairs. Sabi ko, who will be that visitor? It was the Yumang. So Papa drove us to Vacaville and he said he's gonna have lunch. So we end up in karaoke, barbecue place in Vacaville. To my surprise, Belle, Dennis, holding a cake and singing happy birthday, Mama. Sabi niya, sorry about yesterday. I cannot say anything. So, there's so much food, singing, dancing, and so much fun. I really like that. I really enjoyed it very much. My wishes came true. Noon time, following day, Papa drove to Hayward and then to... The following morning, we drove to Hayward. I do not know what we're doing there. I thought we were going to Catslick, but we did not. While driving, going back again while driving, Papa called, Uncle Jojo asked, pwede ba kaming kumain dyan ng lunch? Sabi niya, okay, Uncle Jojo said. Oh, and then, as they opened the door, to my surprise again, my sister-in-laws and the Yumang and Dali from LA, my sister-in-law, walking towards me saying, happy birthday to you. Oh, oh my, this is really best birthday ever. That anyone could whisper, nothing can top this one. There is nothing on earth that I'd rather be to celebrate my birthday with people that I love, family, and friends. I love you all very much. Bong, the lechon gave me. That's completed the celebration. Thank you very much to all. That's it, Papa. Is it okay?